this is a pancake. Crunchy, crispy, and delicious. It's breakfast time and I want to make pancake for my son. This is it. So this is the pancake. It's already mixed, so you just add water and shake. But he likes his own with milk, so I'm going to be adding almond milk. So it's just also simple. I'll just mix some warm water. Yes, warm water. I will add milk to it. Then I'll just pour it into the mixture to get this. This is the line. That's where they say we should add it. So you just add and you just shake. That's all. So after shaking vigorously, I just leave it for a while. You shake very well. Yeah. So that's it. And add more to me. Yeah, so I just leave it for a few minutes and then start frying. So that this thing is too watery.
No, that oil is too much.
The oil is too much.
No, leave it.
Wait, let me put small so that it can be. Are you sure it's not burning?
No, it's okay.
Should I put it?
Yeah. I'm going to do that first. You want to put into it.
So the next one I should put should not be that much. It's burning, no job.
Yeah.
I said the oil was too much. A carrot. This actually.
Yeah.
This thing is almost burning.
Yeah, you can take that. So now, yeah, you can. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, this one. Not too much, it just like a thin layer. Yep, that's it. And then sorry.
It's too thin. So this is a pancake. Crunchy, crispy, and delicious. All the ingredients in the right quantity. Thanks for watching. Bye.